Just Sawdust workshop in a wet Portugal. Rain doesn't seem to stop, but I got a question to make another dining table and a few other things. But for that project I need to make legs. Not the square ones like on with an A-frame or something, no. Turned, profiled legs. And I've got that little Bosch or Black & Decker router thing, and in theory I could make a table leg on that. But how do I get 4 of the same? And I'm not that experienced in that, and the drill that's on there is already wobbly, so I have to come up with another solution. Now, one thing I do have is this faceplate from a lathe that was given to me, and at the time, a few years ago, I didn't know what to do with it, but now I went to the shop and bought myself M12, the same thread that goes in this thing, and some rods, some bolts, some long nuts and washers and all kinds of other nuts, so I can make things. And the total of all this, so this is 4 rods, and there's 4 of every special nut, there's 12 normal nuts, 12 rings, and all of that cost me a good 90.74, and that is about the budget I've got for this project. So the rest has to come from recycled, reclaimed materials to make myself a machine, a tool, where I can make 4 exactly the same table legs on. But because the workshop isn't that big, I want to see if I can make it into something more usable. We'll see what we can make of it, and I've got plans in my head. Watched a lot of Russian Russian YouTube videos about copy carving things, and I'm just going to try to make my own solution work. Well, that's it for this video. So let's see what we got. We've got profile from a shower cube. There was some plate in here with silicone that had to get out. We've got reclaimed oak, and this is the same system, and the sliders in there are from some old brackets to mount something, I don't know. I've got left and right front. I can put the angle grinder in, and I can put the router in, and I've got the headstock made from all kinds of scrap, but it's oak and I don't know, mahogany I think, and some beech runners. It goes very, you know, difficult, but that's the whole point of it, because there shouldn't be any play in there. So I guess you are figuring out what I made. I don't know how I'm going to go on now. Got to make a motor with a spindle so it turns like a lathe, and well, we'll see how that goes. And then I've got to find a way to make templates somewhere here where I can turn this and follow a template to make, well, anything I want to make. But in this case I need to make 4 table legs, so I thought I'll just try this out. Now this is of course some kind of prototype. I wish I had all the money to buy, you know, nice chrome material and sliding bearings and all that kind of stuff, but I'm just making it with scraps, and so it won't run as smooth as, you know, when I used other materials. But then again, I've got to make 4 legs, and when that works, then I can still see if I can at some day make more out of this. But that's not all that I want to have here, because I don't have a big workshop. So somehow I want to make like a frame up here, that if you have something in here, that you could also have like a router sliding here, so you could round over things instead of using a router here, because I want to be able to do like 60 centimeters, so there should be another rod somewhere here where you can put things on. That wouldn't be for motorized, just so you can, you know, by hand, like the guys you see make drums. They've got a thing like that. So yeah, I'll go and figure it out. For now I would say do some woodworking. It's a nice way to spend your time. Do some recycling. It's an even better way to spend your time. And see you all in the next video. Uit de logo.